Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely headband twist wig using Brazilian wool. So just showing you guys how I achieved my headband. It's been a while I did this headband video, but I don't know what to do with the headband, so I decided to put it aside. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing when I'm done achieving my headband. Yeah, I'm going to be using my metallic pen to section out where I'm going to be braiding on. This is a very easy and beginner friendly, and it will make your work to be very fast so that you won't over braid, so that your braid won't be heavy when you are done, because when you braid too much, seas, you won't be able to rock the hair. So this is the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using. I use 6 pink and sorry I use 6 black and a little of pink to add some touch. Towards the end, I'm going to be telling you total amount of Brazilian wool I use in achieving this gorgeous lovely headband wig. You know I love rocking long hair, so you may not use up to the amount I use if yours is not long. I braided a little from the beginning, then I start twisting towards the tip to the end. You can see what I'm trying to say. I'm going to be showing you guys a lot step, because I did this track by track for you to see how I'm spacing my hand. It's very important for you to leave some space, some gap at the back. You can see what I'm doing now, just tying a knot, then just making a loop, then I'll form a knot. So can you see? That is all. You can see how I'm spacing my hand. As I was saying earlier, it's very important for you to space your hand towards the beginning of your wig, so that the wig, it won't be heavy. Leave much space as you can towards the top part. Don't worry, we are going to fix that. We are going to fix it. Nothing is going to show when you rock the wig that you left a lot of space. If you don't do that, your wig is going to be heavy. You won't be able to rock it. It won't come out beautiful. It will look over shape. It won't, how will I put it? So you can see I'll form a loop, then tie a knot. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, share with your loved ones, share. Turn the notification bell so that I can be notified anytime I upload amazing video. So you can see that I braid a little, then I start twisting. I started this wig so late in the night, around 8, then I left it around 11. So the next day I started, let me say, as early as 9, yes, in the morning. Then I finished it around, I think I didn't check the time, I think I finished it around 2 or so. It's because the braids are very long, that is why it takes time. I think total hours I use in achieving this braid was like 8 to 10 hours, if I can calculate it very well, because they are long. We are going to see towards the end, and you can see I've already add some touch of pink to bring out the beauty of the black. I don't want everything to be black because my headband is black. I don't want everything to be black. The pink make it so beautiful. It brought out the beauty of the twist. I fell in love with it. So can you please keep on watching? You can see towards the middle, you have to space your hand as much as you can so that the wig will be heavy. Normally, Brazilian wool is not heavy, very lightweight, very lightweight, easy to rock with any hairstyle. I crochet with 3 strands of Brazilian wool, then I braid with 6 strands of Brazilian wool. Then the color pink, I crochet with 4 strands of Brazilian wool, then I braid with 9 strands of Brazilian wool. The main reason why the pink is much than the black, the pink is very tiny, so I have to make sure it's the same size. So I need to explain this part towards the last track. This is not the last track because I'm still going to braid towards the headband. So make sure that when you're towards the two last track, that is when you start covering the space you left at the back. That is what I'm trying to do now. I'm going to cover the space at the back so that it won't show. I'm going to use the two last track to cover the braid. I'm trying to explain. Can you see that I've already used one track to cover one braid? The back is not really showing, so I won't give any gap, I won't give any space towards this last track and two last track. No space, no gap. We have to make sure to use it to cover the back. A little bit. So thank you so much for the support, for the love. I really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed, kindly please make sure you turn on the subscribe button. I really appreciate you so much. Stay blessed always. Keep supporting your girl. See you in my next video. Stay blessed.